The Hillman Imp, Britain's ingenious small car. Created in the 1950s as Scotland's answer to the iconic Austin Mini, the Hillman Imp commenced production in Linwood, near Glasgow, in the early 1960s. Despite its innovative design and a state-of-the-art factory that provided jobs for thousands of Scots, the vehicle ultimately fell short of expectations due to issues with build quality, reliability, and disappointing sales. Nevertheless, this emblem of Scottish motoring continues to be cherished in memory. In 1955, the British Roots Group launched a small car initiative aimed at creating a vehicle to rival the bubble cars of that era. The petrol shortages resulting from the 1956 Suez Crisis heightened the British appetite for compact, fuel-efficient cars, intensifying Roots' resolve to establish a competitive presence in the compact car sector. Engineers Mike Parkes and Tim Fry developed two distinct prototypes of a model named the Slug. However, the Roots board rejected these designs due to their resemblance to bubble cars. Instead, the board suggested that the Austin A30 and Ford Poplar represented a more appropriate design direction for the proposed Roots vehicle. This decision led to the inception of Project Apex. The Apex design featured a rear-mounted aluminum 875 cubic centimeters Coventry Climax engine, paired with a newly developed Adrian West transaxle. Both components were regarded as exceptional and ahead of their era. The body shape of the Apex, especially the front section, drew some inspiration from American vehicles like the Corvair, leading to the emergence of the now familiar Imp lines. Various factors compelled Roots to expedite the Apex Imp project in 1962, which hindered the engineers from refining certain features. The Hillman Imp commenced production at the Roots factory located in Linwood, 14 miles west of Glasgow, and made a significant entrance into the British automotive market in 1963. Road tests published at the time lauded the Imp for its impressive gearbox, engine, and handling characteristics. However, due to the rushed nature of the project during its final phases, the Imp initially faced mechanical issues and gained a reputation for unreliability. Roots addressed these concerns, but the Imp's rear engine layout was often overshadowed by the BMC Mini's front engine, front-wheel drive configuration. Nevertheless, this new compact saloon emerged as the most affordable British car of its time. While it did not achieve the iconic status of the Mini in the mid-1960s, the Imp was an innovative design, and both production and competition versions of the vehicle secured notable victories in events like the Tulip Rally and Monte Carlo. One of the car's groundbreaking features was an opening rear window hatch, which provided access to a compact luggage area that could be expanded by folding down the rear seat. Although it was not a true hatchback, the Imp served as a precursor to that design and was the first vehicle to offer this option. The deluxe variant of the Imp, also launched in 1963, was slightly heavier yet maintained similar performance levels. Additional features available for the Deluxe included a radio, whitewall tires, heavy-duty shock absorbers, ventilator, opening wing windows, seat belts, and reverse lights. The Imp Series I Saloon was succeeded by the Series II in 1965 and the Series III in 1968. Production lasted until 1976. The Imp served as the foundation for various other models, including the Imp van, which debuted in late 1965. A surge in demand for small vans in Britain was triggered by a tax loophole, prompting Roots to create this entry to compete in that sector. The interior dimensions of the cargo bed were sufficient to hold milk churns, with a capacity of 350 kilograms, and it was designed to navigate curbs even when fully loaded. Roots nearly secured a deal for the van with the Royal Mail, but negotiations fell through due to joyriding postal workers who deemed the van too speedy. In 1966, Roots launched the Sunbeam Imp Sport. This model featured an 875 cubic centimeters engine equipped with dual Zenith-Stromberg carburetors, generating 55 brake horsepower and enabling the vehicle to reach a maximum speed of 145 kilometers per hour. The Hillman Imp Californian, a fastback coupe variant, was introduced to the market in early 1967. Additionally, in 1967, Roots released an estate version of the Imp, known as the Hillman Husky, commonly referred to as the Imp Estate. The Sunbeam Stiletto, which combined the coupe design with the Imp Sport engine, commenced production in October 1967. Production continued through several updates and revisions until 1976. By that time, changing market conditions and financial difficulties within the British motor industry had reduced demand for the model. Approximately 440,000 Imps were produced during its 13-year lifespan. Today, the Hillman Imp is recognized as one of the most technically sophisticated small cars of its era. Enthusiasts appreciate its innovative engineering, lively performance, and unique place in British automotive history. While overshadowed by the Mini in its day, the Imp demonstrated that British manufacturers were capable of producing imaginative and advanced compact vehicles. More than half a century after its launch, the Hillman Imp remains a cherished classic, celebrated by owners' clubs and collectors who continue to preserve and enjoy this distinctive Scottish-built automobile. Brought to you by News Desk from Morelli Edutech. Thanks for watching this presentation. Please share and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more informative videos.